Ever wondered who invented the machine that saves us hours of washing clothes? Before washing machine, people had to wash clothes by hand, hours of scrubbing. But in 1851, an American inventor, James King, patented the first washing machine with a drum that could be turned by hand. Later, in 1908, Alva J. Fisher created the first electric washing machine called Thor. That invention changed everything. No more manual washing, and it paved the way for the modern washing machine we use today. From hand washing to high tech machines, that's how innovation made laundry easier for everyone.